मुंबईकर्स, मैं हूं वंशिका, आप सबकी होस्ट और आप देख रहे हैं एड्रेस ऑफ चॉइस. Address of Choice is a channel that provides you with detail-oriented overview of different properties in different cities. अभी तक we have covered many properties in Delhi, Noida, Mumbai, Bangalore, Goa, and we are going to cover many properties. If you have any suggestions or any property in your mind, then let us know down in the comment sections. आज मैं आई हूँ द रेमंड रियल्टी के एक प्रोजेक्ट पे which is by Raymond Groups. Well, Raymond is into business since 99 years and now it is also a part of real estate since 2019. Not only this, Raymond is known for its fashion, technology, lifestyle. And आज इस वीडियो में मैं उसका ही एक प्रोजेक्ट कवर करूँगी which is a Raymond Realty project 10x Era. So let's go and take a look. So, the major USP about the 10x Era project is that it is situated in the prime location of Thane West. Yes, it is right beside the Viviana Mall, which is a one-stop for all its residents. And it is connected with the upcoming Metro Line 4 and Eastern Express Highway, which is great for the connectivity if you want to go to your office or anywhere. So yes, this is the main USP about this project. Let me also tell you the nearby locations and connectivity that this project provides to us. So, Coram Mall is 5 minutes away. R Mall is 12 minutes away. Cadbury Junction is 3 minutes away. Thane Station is only 10 minutes away. Mumbai-Nasik Highway is 5 minutes away. Ghodbandar Road is 10 minutes away. CP Goenka International School is 12 minutes away. Jupiter Hospital is only 2 minutes away. So now let's discuss about the formation, structure and elevation which 10x Era has to provide to us. So 10x Era is built on freehold land parcel of 3.7 acres. Not only this, it comprises of 3 towers, among which first and second tower offer you 2 BHK apartments, whereas third tower offers you 3 BHK apartments. Let's also discuss about the elevation of the 10x Era. So you will have one level of underground parking, then you will have your ground level as you can see, and you will have 3 levels of podium parking. On 4th floor, all the luxurious and lavishing 40 plus amenities are available, and from 5th floor to 38th floor, all the habitable floors are available. So yeah, that was it about the formation and structure which 10x Era has to provide to us. Now we will take a look at what kind of amenities and lifestyle this project has to provide to us. So let's go. Multi-purpose lawn, kids pool, tennis lawn, outdoor library, kids play area, play lawn, family area, aromatic garden, Tai Chi plaza, picnic area, yoga lawn, chess garden and many more. Now let's take a look at the 2 BHK apartment which is of the size 711 carpet area. Let's go. As soon as you enter, you will have your foyer area. Moving ahead will be your living and dining area which is of the size 10 by 18. You will also have a deck attached to your living area. The size of the deck is 4 feet and you will have an amazing view of Geur Hills from the back side of it. And it will be amazing for your tea and evening time. So let's go and take a look at the rest of the house. Moving ahead is your kitchen and the size of the kitchen is 7 by 11. Over here, you will be provided with 2 platforms, one for your cooking area and another one for your dry area. Also, you will be provided with an extra space for your washing machine. Over here is your first bedroom, which is of the size 10 by 11, and you will also have enough amount of cupboard space. Not only this, you will be accompanied with French windows which will again provide you amazing view of either Yeo Hills or city lights depending on the facing. Right opposite to this bedroom is your common toilet. The size of the common toilet is 4 by 7. All the sanitary fittings will be provided by the builder. Moving ahead is your second master bedroom and the second room which is of the size 10 by 12 and it also comes along with the attached washroom. The size of the washroom is 4 by 7. Not only this, you will have space for your cupboard as well as there is a French window here as well. providing you with amazing views. Well, that was it about the tour of the houses. Now let's take a look at the configuration and price which this property has to offer to us. So, 2 BHK offers you the size of 615 and 711 carpet area, starting from the price 1.66 CR. And 3 BHK offers you the size of 814 and 894 carpet area, starting from the price 2.17 CR. Also, let me tell you this, the possession date for the property is in 2027 December. Well, that was it from our side about this breathtaking property by Raymond Realty 10X Era. As I already mentioned that this property is situated at the prime location in Thane West. So if you're looking for your dream home in Thane West, you should definitely not miss out on this. Also, note this that if you pay 20% now, you don't have to pay anything till 2025. So yeah, that was all about this property, and if you have any doubts or any questions regarding this property, you can comment down below in the comment section or call on the number which is given in the description box. I hope I was able to explain this to you well. Yes, so thank you so much for watching. Please share, subscribe and comment.